Hi, everyone. Okay, so for math today, we are continuing to look at fractions on a number line. If you have not watched this Khan Academy video on how to identify fractions on a number line, please watch it. Or even if you're still a little confused, watch it again and watch it again and again and again until maybe it kind of seeps in. Um, we are going to go into this assignment today, and you're going to notice that there are actually 4 questions on each of these slides. And so it just simply says for each one, look at the number line below. What fraction is represented by this little dot right here? So the first thing you want to look at, again, just make some observations. Notice that it starts at 0 and it goes to 1. So we're looking at a very small number here. We're looking at a fraction. The second thing you want to look at is to see how this fraction from 0 to 1, or how this number line is divided. Is it divided into 2 equal portions? Is it divided into 3 equal portions? Is it divided into 10 equal portions? When I look at this line, I can count 1, it's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 0 to 1, it's been divided into 4 pieces. So 4 is going to be my denominator here. All right, so I could start by putting my fraction line here and putting 4. Now I just need to figure out what my numerator is. Remember, the numerator is the kind of where the dot is. So the dot is on, we're just going to kind of count 1/4, 2/4. It's on 2/4 right here. Okay. So we would say that this dot is on this. What fraction is represented? 2/4. Okay, let's try another one. So again, when you're looking at number 2, or you're looking at any fraction on a number line, just really first look and see what your first number is here. You have a 0, and where your end point is. It's a 0. It's a 1. Excuse me. And then ask yourself, question number 2, what is it divided into? So I'm going to look here, and you kind of have to count carefully. I know you don't have a pencil, so just do the best you can. It's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from 0 to 1, it is divided into 8 pieces. So that is going to be our denominator. It is out of 8 total pieces. Now I need to see where that dot is, though. On what tick mark is the dot? So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. 3 is my numerator. So when I look at this, then, and I can answer this question, then, what fraction is represented? 3/8. Everyone say that. 3/8. Perfect. Good. All right, let's do 3 and 4. So I'm looking at number 4, and I notice it starts at 0. It ends at 1. Perfect. That's the first thing you want to notice. Now I need to ask myself, what is it divided into? How many equal pieces? So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number line is divided into 6 equal portions between 0 and 1. So that is our denominator. Now, did you guys see what I just did here? I deleted the text box, and that I can see a lot of you guys doing super easily. So watch where I'm going right now. Watch, 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 watch. I'm going up to where this letter T is. Do you guys see it? And now it's even highlighted text box. Click on that, and I can just make a new one. There it goes. Okay. So, and if you want to, you can make this text size a little bit bigger here. All right, but unfortunately, I forgot what my denominator was. So let's recount what the between 0 and 1 has been divided into. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so my denominator is 6. Don't worry if it's not the same size font as all the other ones. And now I need to see where my dot is. So what's going to be in my numerator? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my dot is on the 5th out of the 6 total portions. So I'm going to say 5, 6 here. I click out, I can get it right there. So what fraction is represented? 5, 6. Everyone say that. 5, 6. Excellent. Okay, here is the last one we're going to do together, and then I'm going to let you guys go ahead and try some on your own. So, do you remember what I said to do first? What should you notice? Hopefully you said you need to look at your beginning point and you need to look at your end point. And what are they? They are 0 and 1. Very good. All right. Second step is to, that's right, count up how many times this has been divided. What is it divided into? So this one is divided into 1, 3 equal spots, or 3 equal portions here. Okay. So now we just need to figure out the numerator. Where is this dot? Which out of those 3 is the dot? And it happens to be on 0, 1. So my fraction here is, what fraction is represented? 1/3. Okay, you guys are doing awesome. Do the best you can. I know you can do it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will do the best to answer them. Good luck.